Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. So if you've seen any of my past videos, you will know that I've earned over $1,000 on Doordash, and I feel like that qualifies me enough to show you guys a thorough beginner's guide on how to get started with Doordash. Now, you might have a lot of questions like, what do I say? Where do I park? How do I work the app properly to earn the most amount of money? So hopefully I'll be able to answer all of those questions for you guys today. Remember, if you like the video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, let's dive right in. So it's your first day on Doordash and you're just starting out and you're curious as to what you should do, what are the best practices, and some minor stuff like what do I say when I pull up to the cashier or the drive-through or something like that. So step number one is first you have to enroll in this app. And once you're completely enrolled, you will come up to this page where I'll say Dash Now at the bottom. And on the top, it'll give you a map and your location. So when it's bright red and it has 3 bars, that means it's extremely busy. These are usually the times where there's a little bit of peak pay going on, which is really great. What you want to do is go ahead and press that dash button. It'll take anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes to get your first order. Usually doesn't take as long as 30 minutes. So just wait around for your first order. You will get a notification saying you received your first order. It'll give you the mileage you have to travel. It'll give you the amount of items there are in the delivery, and it'll give you the amount, roughly the amount of money you'll earn for that delivery. It can always be higher when you get tips, but it'll never go lower than the amount it's showing you. So if you think that is sufficient for you to go dash, the money or the mileage is sufficient for you to do that dash, what you want to do is hit accept. And once you do that, you will press on the navigate button, which will take you to your map. The map will take you to the location, the store, the restaurant, the fast food, whatever destination it is. The map will take you to the destination, and if you're in a super busy midtown type location, it might be quite difficult to find parking when you get to the restaurant. So what you might want to just do is either find a parking spot which is as close as you can park legally, or you might just want to park on the side of the road, throw your hazard lights on, and go inside. Once you go inside, try to look for a dasher sign or a food delivery sign where you could go up to the bar and ask for the food. If you can't find that, just pull up or go ask the nearest register person, the nearest customer service person that you are, not ask them, tell them that you are a DoorDasher, show them the order, and give them the order name or ID. Once you do that, either they'll tell you they have the order for you and they'll confirm the items, or they'll say the order will take a little bit longer than expected, in which case you'll have to wait around a little bit. So while you're waiting around, just confirm you have all the items. Once you pull up, ask if there are any drinks or utensils that you need to take in addition to the order. Sometimes the customer service person forgets a food or utensil, and the customer won't be super happy about that. So make sure you have everything. Once you have everything, confirm the items on your app. Once you do that, go ahead. Go to your car, put your stuff in your warm bag, I guess, your heat pack, and once you do that, go ahead and press navigate to your destination. If you don't have a warm bag, not a big deal, just press destination, and then once again the map will pull up. It'll show you where you need to go from there. The map will take you to the customer's house. Now, hopefully for your first order, the directions aren't super complex, but once you arrive at the customer's house, go into the description and look at the specific delivery request the customer has laid out for you. For example, he might say, Please don't knock on the door. My baby is sleeping. I don't want him to wake up. In which case, you just leave the order and take a picture of it and confirm the order. If the request says hand it over to me, knock on the door, ring on the doorbell, hand it over to the customer, ask them the order name. If they confirm that, obviously hand it over, and then you just press confirm, and then you rate whether you're happy with the transaction or not. But yeah, guys, it is quite simple. It might be pretty nerve-wracking when you're starting off, but after you do a couple of them, it should be pretty simple and pretty easy. And once you accept all the good orders, you will make quite a bit of money. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.